Today we are looking at the Urbane Invisi behind the wall toilet, which is available in a standard or compact version. For a modern, affordable look, this toilet is perfect for any home bathroom renovation. When space is at a premium, the compact version allows you to maintain a modern feel in tight spaces. For a minimalist, streamlined look, behind-the-wall toilets hide the cistern within the wall cavity. This toilet includes a more durable seat manufactured from high-quality thermoset material, ensuring a longer lifespan. One of the biggest challenges of any bathroom renovation is the ability to colour match all your products. These behind-the-wall toilets are available with an extended range of colour options for the flush plates and a colour match to all Caroma bathroom products. It has a contemporary D-shaped design and a soft-closed detachable seat, so there are no hard-to-reach places, making cleaning easy. Like all Caroma products, this toilet includes GermGuard antimicrobial protection built into the seat and pan, eliminating 99% of bacteria on contact. The Urbane Invisi Behind the Wall and Urbane Compact are both fantastic affordable options for your bathroom renovation.